yesterday's class, no? So the same thing I am showing you on the screen here. So we are going to discuss one by one how these methods are utilized. In detail today we will discuss. So first let us discuss in detail about the one of the method, competition based pricing method. So as we have seen in the list, competition based methods, we are going to come across two types, no? So those two types let us discuss in detail. What are the two types of competition based pricing methods? So one it is going rate pricing and the other one it is bid pricing. So this bid pricing is also called as what? Auction pricing. Already you know what is the meaning of this, but let us discuss in detail about this. Going rate pricing is the first method that comes under the competition based pricing. So this competition based pricing is also called as what? Competitive pricing, or sometimes it may be called as competitor based pricing. Whatever it may be the name, that comes under the competition based pricing. That means under this, competition will be taken into consideration and then only the price of the product will be fixed under both these methods of competition based. So going rate means this is one of the strategy that it is going to focus on the present market price. What is the present market price of the product or service? So this will be go on changing from time to time. So based on the competition that is there available in the market, the price will go on changing. From minute to minute, or sometimes some time period it will take and it will be changing. So this, can you give any example, best example for this? So all the businesses that are having a highly saturation, as we have seen in the business life cycle, it will be reaching to a high boom period, no? So that is called as saturation. If it is highly saturated, those businesses will be deciding their price based on the going rate. So as a business person, you are going to consider the competition and you are going to price your, take into consideration the competitor's price and you are going to fix the price of the product under this. For example, you can take this gas cylinders. Day to day, the price of the gas cylinders will be changing now, so which we can say that it is going rate pricing. So it is not the same. Today, what is the price? Tomorrow, it won't be the same. It may be more than that or less than that. Based on the competition in the market, these price changes will be taking place. And another example, you can take this stock market. All the shares that are going to be listed in the stock market, their price will be changing based on the situations in the market. So that we can take it another example for going rate pricing. So in the stocks, everyone is familiar about this, no? Share prices will be changing frequently. So this knowledge, even if any person, any people is having that knowledge of that price changes will be taking place in the stock markets, that knowledge will be there. So that from time to time. So that you can take as an example here. And also we know that the gold rates are also going to be changing, right? So today's rate will be different, tomorrow's will be different, yesterday's it will be different. So from day to day, from hourly or minute, if you consider minute by minute, also the changes will be there in the gold rates. And also you can take this example, oil products. If you consider the crude oil price will be changing from day to day. So these examples you can take for going rate pricing. So this is based on the competition only. This pricing will be taking place. Not only these examples, you can take so many products are there which are available in the market, which is going to have come across the going rate pricing. So like commodities like corn, wheat, coffee beans, or metals, bronze, silver, gold, copper, steel. So all these examples you can take for as an where the competition will be taking a more important part. It will play a more important part to fix the price of the product. And even services also, like cleaning services, babysitting, lawn moving. So all these services also will be fixed based on the competition. The price will be fixed on the competition. So that is what it is, one of the competition based pricing. And the next comes the sealed bid pricing. Sealed bid means you can see that it will be, the price will be given by the contractors in an sealed covers, or it may be in a box. They are going to drop their price quotations in that box, and every, like you can take example of contracts will be there, no? Government, if any government is going to offer you any work, so for that, if what the contractors will be doing, they will be sending a quotation in an sealed covers. So that will be containing the price what they are going to charge. So these covers, what these people are going to do is, those who are going to allow them contract, will, what they are going to do is, they are going to open those covers at a particular time period. That may be not only the government, some companies will also offer such a contracts. So that sealed bids will be opened at a time, and they will be looking after the price of the contractors, and they will compare the prices which was quoted by each and every supplier of that material, whichever is meant for contract. So, and they will look after, compare the prices of each and every one, those who have sent the quotations, and whoever is going to quote lowest price, so that will be given importance, right? So such comes under the sealed bid pricing. So this may be used by like oil companies, bid contracts of land for potential drillers, drilling purpose also bids will be given. Even sand, for sand also people will be bidding. Even your you can take the example, best example of this liquor bidding will be taking place, no? So those who are going to bid, in case of liquor bidding, highest prices will be quoted there. Okay. So whoever is going to pay more for works, they are going to consider the lowest price. For any product that it is going to be purchased and sold in the market, like liquor and all, highest prices, those who are going to quote the highest price, those people will be given the contract, right? So like that, sealed bidding is one of the thing where the competition will be taking place, and that work or that product will be allotted to that particular contractor, and he is going to sell the product. So these things, examples you can take here, which may be of built houses bidding will be done, like government buildings is there, no? They are going to construct the building for poor. So that example also you can take. So, and for some jobs, contracts will be taken for which the contractors will be bidding. So there for job opportunities, lowest bidder will be given that work. And in case of government, any works that they want to bid, offer to the contractors. At this stage of government works, lowest bidder will be given that particular work, allotted that particular work. So like that, based on the product or service, either it may be a higher priced bidder will be given the that particular contract, or lowest bidder will be given the particular contract. So this is how the competition based pricing is done under the sealed bid pricing. Same thing I have shown here again and again. Online auctions also nowadays going on, no? That example also you can take. eBay is conducting this type of online auctions. So they will be giving customers to chance to bid, and they are going to negotiate the prices with the sellers. So until the price is acceptable, so that auction will be going on. Online auction will be going on. So whenever a buyer is going to list his price, or he want to purchase, the seller may submit that particular bid. So which we can call it as forward auction. If buyer wants the work and the seller is going to submit the bid, then it is called as what? Forward auction. Sometimes buyer is not going to list that, but he is going to state how much he is willing to pay for a particular work. So in such cases, the sellers will be giving the information. So the buyer will be giving his options. So in such a case, it is called as what? A reverse auction. So like this, online auctions will be going on in eBay. So if any one firm is going to accept this reverse auction, then only this is going to be accepted. So whichever the price that buyer is going to quote. So all those comes under the competition based pricing.